So who is Allah Ta'ala?
Allah Ta'ala is a guy who created Earth and other planets and also the sun.
That's correct. He created everything, but he's not a guy. In fact, we don't know how Allah Ta'ala looks like, right? Allah Ta'ala even tells in the Quran, do not think about me too much. Do not talk about me too much. Yeah. All we know is that Allah Ta'ala is made from light, Noor. And we don't even know exactly if the Noor means light or what else. Noor is a special type of light.
Which is green?
No, we don't know the
Yeah.
colors. We have no idea. Because, and why is that? Why did Allah Ta'ala kept himself so secret?
So that's he can create everything.
Yes, he did create everything. He kept himself secret because it's going to be the biggest reward in the heaven when we will be able to see Allah Ta'ala. Yeah, that will be the biggest rewards of the people of heaven. You will get all your wishes, but the biggest thing was that everybody will be able to see Allah Ta'ala. Just like we see the moon on the sky, right?
Yeah.
So a person, I imagine, when you go in the heaven, you will be just laying down in your castle maybe, and you could see Allah Ta'ala through the roof.
Roof is made of glass.
Could be, yeah. The roof of your castle could be made with glass.
Everything will be glass.
Yes, but you know, Ali remembers that surah. Can you tell me? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwallah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Qul huwallah.
Bismillah.
पढ़ो ना, आपको आती है?
Allahu samad.
हम्म
Lam yalid wa lam yulad
हम्म
wa lam yakun lahu kufuwan ahad.
Shabash. You know what this means? This is the definition of Allah Ta'ala. This is how Allah Ta'ala is defining himself. Allah Ta'ala is telling us that he is not like anything we have ever
He's just
seen.
invisible.
He is invisible for us for now, but he is not like us human beings. He is not like anything we have ever seen.
He is just like a ghost.
No. Even ghosts are the creations of Allah Ta'ala. And he is not the son of any father. Allah Ta'ala has not been created by any mama, any babas. And Allah,
Allah is not created by anything.
yes, Allah Ta'ala is all alone. And he did not reproduced anything. Like he does not have any sons, any daughters, any brothers and sisters, any siblings, any spouse.
Siblings.
He is all alone, all by himself, and all knowing. And imagine how intelligent he is that he created every single thing. Right? So Allah Ta'ala is all powerful, all supreme, not like anything, not the father of anything, and not the son of anybody. That's
Not the
what,
minion of anything.
yes, and this is the definition. If anybody says, oh, my Allah Ta'ala is different than your Allah Ta'ala, then we can say, okay,
But there's two others.
no, there are not two Allah Ta'alas, but some people think they are. Some people make different things of the world to their God. Just like some people worship the statues. They
Like
make
half of 10.
they make statues.
Huh?
Yeah, they make statues out of stone and clay and different things, and they start praying in front of them.
If they make a statue that was in that sand will just fall.
That's not, a statue cannot be Allah Ta'ala. A statue cannot even talk. A statue cannot do anything. A statue cannot even lift his hand, right? How can they be Allah Ta'ala? Allah Ta'ala is so
Statues
powerful.
can just be like this.
Yeah, they could be
Frozen.
just frozen and still. So no statue can be Allah Ta'ala. But
It doesn't matter what thing you make a statue out of.
yes, it doesn't matter what you make the statue out of. And then there are other people who associate partners with Allah Ta'ala, who says this person is Allah Ta'ala's son, this person is Allah Ta'ala's daughter, or
Allah Ta'ala doesn't have a son or a daughter.
that's correct. And that's how we know from the Quran that anybody who has a son or daughter cannot be Allah Ta'ala, right? So right at the moment,
So we are not Allah Ta'ala.
we are not. We cannot be. We are Allah Ta'ala's creations.
Yeah.
We are
We
Allah
are
Ta'ala's servants.
alien creations.
Alien, yes. We are alien to each other, to other creations, yes, but not to Allah Ta'ala.
But Allah Ta'ala made our house out of bricks.
Allah Ta'ala did not make our house. We made it ourselves. Allah Ta'ala gave the people that intellect to use bricks to make the house.
It doesn't matter what material you use to make a house.
Yeah.
Sand house will just make you drown.
No.
Yes, it will.
No.
Sand is also made with the water.
We are not talking about sand right now. We're talking about Allah Ta'ala, right? That's a Allah Ta'ala story.
Yeah.
Remember that? You asked for it. Mama, Allah Ta'ala story suna do.
Yes.
है ना? कैसे कहता है अली? हाँ जी, ऐसे कहता है अली, बिल्कुल. तो हम अल्लाह ताला स्टोरी सुना रहे हैं ना. What is Allah Ta'ala?
Allah Ta'ala is not anything that created the world and planets.
No, Allah Ta'ala is the one who created all the world, sun, moon, skies,
No.
planets,
No.
but he is not like them. He is not like anything that exists in this universe.
Allah Ta'ala made the sun and Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto.
Yes. This is just one galaxy, and there are thousands of galaxies like that with so many planets. You know that?
There's a Google.
Yes. So imagine how big is the universe, and how big will Allah Ta'ala be who created this huge universe.
Allah Ta'ala is bigger than the sun.
Yes, because Allah Ta'ala tells us in Quran when it will be the day of judgment that I was telling you about yesterday, remember?
There will be the day of judgment. And that's an angel will blow the
Horn,
and then
yes.
the earth will turn into fire.
Flat. And that day, the sun and moon and all the planets, Allah Ta'ala is going to wrap them in His hands.
What?
Yes,
Why?
because He is that big and He has that power. He created them, He can destroy them.
What? Why?
Yes.
If Allah Ta'ala destroys the sun, he'll be burned.
No,
Why?
because Allah Ta'ala created it, sun cannot do anything to him. In fact, nobody can do or say anything to him. He is so powerful.
Sun is hotter than weather.
Yes, but sun is still small. There are big suns in other galaxies too.
Supernovas, supernovas.
I don't know. But yes, there are lots of galaxies with lots of planets and different stars and different suns, just like ours, or maybe different. So, what did you learn? Did you learn about Allah Ta'ala? Hmm? What did you learn? What is Allah Ta'ala?
Allah Ta'ala is a guy that created the world.
Okay. Hmm.
He created planets, but on the day of judgment, he'll make the earth flat and crush every planet and the sun.
He'll just wrap the whole universe around. That's what happens. He's the most powerful being. So what should we do? What should we do? If Allah Ta'ala is so powerful, what do you think we should do?
Go to heaven.
But how will you go to heaven?
You need to be dead.
No. You need to pray first.
Then you die.
No. Then you make dua.
Then you die.
And you die on your time. Allah Ta'ala has written
That's
everybody's
the day
time.
of judgment.
It will come to everybody, but by itself. We don't know when it will come. But before that, we have to do good deeds. We have to pray. We have to read Quran. And then we have to follow all the instructions that are in the Quran for us. That's only then. If our deeds are heavier, then we will go in the heaven. But if they're not, I'm scared to even think about hell. Right? What do you think hell looks like?
A well filled with fire.
Very good imagination. Very good. Yes. It could be a deep, 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 deep down well filled with fire and lots of other punishments. And what do you think the heaven looks like?
A place that's bigger than the hell.
Of course. And what else?
It has Allah Ta'ala.
It has Allah Ta'ala,
And
yes.
it has 7 million castles.
That's true.
Because there's 7 million people on Earth.
Only 7?
7 million.
Yeah. No, there are billions and billions of people
No.
have lived on Earth.
There's only 7 million.
What else you think is in the heaven?
Flowers.
What is your wish list? What does Ali want to do when Ali go in the heaven? What will you ask Allah Ta'ala to give you in the heaven?
Give me toys.
Give you toys? Lots of toys in the heaven. What else?
Torty. Torty.
Torty?
Yeah, torty.
What's that?
You know, like Torty, my stuffed turtle.
Oh, you want a toy turtle?
It's the same one in my school.
Okay, then let's make a dua so we can go to heaven, right? Oh, Allah Ta'ala.
What is it, the day of judgment? Is it the day of judgment?
It's not the day of judgment. It's the time to make dua and time to sleep.
Why is it the day of judgment?
We don't know.
Mama?
Not even the messengers knew that.
Mama?
Only Allah Ta'ala knows.
Mama?
Yeah?
You know that we can hear that angel's horn.
Yes, we will hear and hopefully we are not alive by then when the angel blew the horn and day of judgment comes, right?
Yeah.
We don't want to see that. It will be a disastrous day.
That will be a good day.
Yes, it will be a good day for the people who have done good deeds, who are going to heaven. It will be a good day for them, not for everybody. There are plenty of bad people, and they will be scared. They will be running everywhere. They will try to outrun the day of judgment, but they won't be able to. They won't be able to run anywhere.
The earth will just be always flat.
Yes.
Crush.
Mm-hmm.
Allah is not going to crush Earth because he already crushed it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, we done. It's time to sleep now. Okay? You should make dua. Allah Ta'ala,
Allah,
please help me be a good boy
please help me be a good boy
so I can go in your heaven
so I can go in your heaven
and I'm able to see you
and I'm able to see you
and accompany me
and accompany me
with my parents,
with my parents,
my brothers, my grandparents,
my grandparents,
and all the messengers,
and all the messengers,
and all the people that you love most.
and all the people that you love most.
Ameen.
Ameen.
Shabba khair. Allah Hafiz.